Did you know that GA4 has built-in enhanced measurement already out of the box? Make sure you follow the instructions here to see how to set it up. First of all, go to your admin for your GA4 account and then go to data streams. Click on your data stream that you want to select and you will see enhanced measurement. Make sure this is on and then click on the configure enhanced measurement. These enhanced measurements are built in out of the box with GA4, and that includes the ability to track event scrolls, outbound clicks, site searches, form interactions, video engagement, file downloads. Within each of these events, you can then start to track user behavior on the website. For example, if you find out that one of your pages is not getting enough sales, you can figure out that the scroll depth is not completing the event. This scroll depth looks at 95% scroll depth. If a user does not scroll 95% of the page, this event will not actually convert, and as a result, you'll see poor conversion or poor engagement on those pages. The same then for outbound clicks. We're able to track outbound links, site search, form interaction, so when a user starts a form and then they finish the form, and then also video engagement for the likes of play and pause on YouTube embedded content. There's many more events you can do. Stay tuned to ProfileTree social channels to find out how to create custom events in our next video.